Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best beauty kit is probably one of the most essential items for anyone looking to elevate their makeup game, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your beauty journey. This comprehensive collection of tools and products is designed to help you achieve flawless looks with ease, offering everything you need from foundation and eyeshadows to brushes and applicators, all conveniently packaged for your convenience and portability. Imagine having a curated selection of high-quality beauty essentials at your fingertips, ready to transform your appearance for any occasion, from a subtle everyday glow to a dramatic evening statement. Number 5. Pure Daily Care NanoSteamer Teal. Transform your skincare routine with this advanced facial steamer. It brings the spa experience directly to your home for ultimate relaxation and rejuvenation. Unclog your pores and remove impurities effectively. Achieve clearer, more radiant skin with its powerful deep cleansing capabilities. Utilizing cutting-edge nano-ionic technology, it delivers a fine, consistent mist. This helps to deeply hydrate your skin and enhance product absorption. Enjoy a customized steaming experience with precise temperature control. It ensures optimal comfort and effectiveness for your unique skin needs. More than just a facial steamer, it also functions as a humidifier. It's a versatile addition to your self-care arsenal, designed for your well-being. This set comes with a bonus 5-piece stainless steel skin kit. Everything you need to achieve flawless skin is right here. What we like. This device offers precise temperature control for a safe and effective facial steam. Its 3-in-1 functionality means you get steaming, humidifying, and pore unclogging all in one. If you're looking for a spa-quality facial treatment at home to deeply cleanse and hydrate your skin, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The steam starts up almost immediately and provides a really steady, warm mist that helps clear everything out. It feels much more effective than just standing in a hot shower, and the temperature stays consistent the whole time. It is very simple to fill and clean, which is a big plus when you are already feeling under the weather and don't want to mess with anything complicated. Heats up fast, produces a lot of steam, and leaves my skin feeling clean and refreshed. Super easy to use and the large tank lasts a long time. Number 4. Spa Luxetique 8-piece Rose Spa Gift Set for Women. Unveil the ultimate pampering experience with our exquisite spa gift set. Designed to transport you to a state of pure bliss, it's the perfect way to unwind and rejuvenate. Immerse yourself in the delicate and enchanting aroma of roses. This carefully curated collection features a delightful rose scent that will soothe your senses. Enjoy a full spa day without leaving your home. Our set includes everything you need for a luxurious bath and body ritual, from bubble bath to body lotion. Searching for a thoughtful gift? This beautiful spa basket is an ideal present for birthdays, Mother's Day, or any occasion to show you care. Show your appreciation with a gift that truly pampers. It's a wonderful way to make any woman in your life feel special and cherished. Discover 8 luxurious items designed for ultimate self-care. Each component works together to provide a comprehensive and delightful spa treatment. What we like. Indulge in the luxurious rose scent with this comprehensive 8-piece bath set. It provides a complete bath experience with bubble bath, shower gel, and body lotion. If you're searching for the perfect gift for a woman who deserves some pampering, especially for occasions like Mother's Day or birthdays, this set is an excellent option. What people say. The kit includes a variety of essential makeup brushes for a complete look. The brushes are soft and apply makeup smoothly. The compact design makes it easy to carry for touch-ups on the go. Number 3. Vanilla Coconut Home Spa Set. Discover a luxurious spa experience right at home. This 9-piece set is designed to pamper and delight. Looking for the ideal present? This collection offers a thoughtful and indulgent gift for any woman in your life. Immerse yourself in the soothing scents of vanilla and coconut. Our bath and body essentials are crafted for ultimate relaxation. Enjoy the rich, fragrant lotions that nourish your skin. The large bath bombs create a truly decadent bathing experience. Infused with nourishing coconut oil, this set leaves your skin feeling soft and revitalized. It's the ultimate treat for yourself or someone special. What we like. Experience home spa luxury with this delightful 9-piece set featuring a warm vanilla coconut scent. It includes fragrant lotions and large bath bombs for a truly indulgent experience. If you love the comforting aroma of vanilla and coconut and want to create a relaxing spa atmosphere in your own home, this set is ideal for you. What people say. The 9-piece set feels luxurious and thoughtfully put together, with a soothing scent that's relaxing without being overpowering. The products feel high quality and leave skin feeling soft and pampered. The vanilla coconut scent is heavenly, not too strong, just the perfect relaxing aroma. The bath bombs are extra large and make the bath feel super soothing, and the lotion leaves my skin soft and moisturized without feeling greasy. Number 2. SAVILAND Acrylic Nail Kit with Drill. Discover the ultimate acrylic nail kit designed for both beginners and professionals. This all-in-one set provides everything you need to create stunning nails at home or in the salon. Inside, you'll find a powerful drill, vibrant gel polishes, and essential tools for flawless application. It's the perfect starter set to elevate your nail game. Achieve salon-quality results with ease, thanks to the user-friendly design and comprehensive inclusions. Transform your nails into works of art. Experiment with 3 beautiful gel polish colors to add that perfect touch of glamour. Get creative and express your unique style. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This comprehensive kit is an ideal present for anyone who loves nail art, especially during the holiday season. From sculpting to decorating, this kit has you covered. Experience the convenience and quality that SAVILAND brings to your fingertips. What we like. This is a professional acrylic nail kit designed to be beginner-friendly, providing everything you need to get started. It includes an all-in-one UV light for curing gel polishes. If you're an aspiring nail artist looking to create salon-quality acrylic nails at home or for personal use, this comprehensive set is a fantastic starting point. What people say. It came with everything I needed and a great quantity of each item, plenty of powder, liquid, and nail tips to practice and create multiple sets. Everything worked perfectly right out of the box. It comes with so many different glitters, from chunky and bold to fine and shimmery, in a bunch of colors. Number 1. Almond Milk and Honey Beauty and Personal Care Set. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This beauty and personal care set is a wonderful choice for any woman in your life. Unwind and de-stress with this luxurious home bath pampering package. It's designed to help her relax and rejuvenate. This spa self-care kit provides everything she needs for a truly pampering experience at home. Treat her to some well-deserved me time. Enjoy the soothing and nourishing benefits of almond milk and honey. These natural ingredients will leave her skin feeling soft and refreshed. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or just because, this gift basket is sure to make her feel special. It's the perfect way to show you care. This comprehensive set includes 10 pieces, offering a full range of products for a complete spa day. She'll love exploring all the included items. What we like. Unwind with this 10-piece beauty and personal care set featuring a soothing almond milk and honey scent. It's designed for ultimate relaxing self-care, creating a pampering home bath experience. If you're seeking a way to de-stress and indulge in a moment of tranquility, or looking for a thoughtful gift for an anniversary or a mom, this kit is perfect. What people say. The kit includes a variety of essential makeup brushes for a complete look. The brushes are soft and apply makeup smoothly, making blending effortless. The compact design of the kit makes it perfect for travel and on-the-go touch-ups. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.